fun with our bass drum. We now have 12 options of where we can put the bass drum because there are 12 subdivisions within this pattern. So if I get my hands going, I can play on the 1, 2, 3, or the 2, 3. I could just play on beat 3, 3. I could play on the a 4. All right, so now we're going to have a play along that takes you through each option and gives you a chance to try it a couple of times. This is something that builds us towards what drummers a lot of times call limb independence. Basically, that means that you can do anything with any combination of limbs. It takes a long time to work on this, so be really patient with yourself, just have fun with it. And with some of the play-along tracks, see if you can make up your own comping patterns to go along with the song. You might even notice that some of the songs have those variations in them from time to time, so listen for those.